You ain't breaking it up. Come on.
Okay.
You better get some respect, boy.
All right.
Or I'll pound some in you. I'll put some respect in you. I'll make you respect her. She wants to marry me.
Would you sleep with your mother?
I don't know. It depends. Depends on how good my dad says she is. I'd have to wait till my dad died first.
Yeah, well, honestly, I mean this with all due respect, but you're sick.
Yeah! I don't care. Nobody's gonna stop this. Yeah, Jerry! Yeah!
I mean,
Whatever.
with all due respect.
Yeah, right.
All right, let's meet your grandma. Hey, let's meet your grandmother. Here's Kitty.
Oh, man, what? What did you say?
Here's Kitty.
And I'll beat your ass.
The National Weather Service in Norman, Oklahoma, has issued a tornado warning in effect until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Cleveland, McLean, Garvin, Oklahoma, Pottawatomie, Seminole, Lincoln, Kingfisher, Canadian, Grady, Logan, and Payne. At 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado was spotted near Moore and Newcastle, Oklahoma.
Grandma, Kitty, welcome to the show. Shh, let me talk to Kitty.
There is a tornado warning for your area. Please go underground for your own safety.
You're sleeping with you're having sex with your grandson?
Yes, sir.
Is this,
Grandma! Grandma!
is this something you could go to jail for?
Yes, of course.
Nobody's gonna stop us.
Of course I would.
Grandma, what are you thinking?
Will you
Sleeping with
shut up?
him?
Will you shut up?
Yeah.
I want respect.
Shut your trap.
I'm your grandmother.
You haven't
I do
earned it.
respect you.